Hey, this is Dave Krusen here, and this is Even Flow.
How did Even Flow come to be? Like, whose idea was that? Was it someone coming in with a riff, or was it a drum part? Or
that was Stone's song. Stone Gossard wrote that song. You know, once we started on that song, there was a basic framework that he had in mind, and we just kind of developed it from there, really. The Expensive Winos record came out a few years before that. I'm a huge Steve Jordan fan, so I was really into that record, and you know, I've always been anything he's played on. So that was probably the biggest influence on me at that time. But then there's all sorts of, everything kind of comes in. I feel like once you're working on something, you're getting to put your stamp on it. Jeff's bass playing is very all-encompassing. It's just like a nice, comfortable couch to sit in, you know what I mean? It's just like, it's such a foundation. Like, I really feel like he's the foundation more than the drums are when I'm playing with those guys. And yeah, I mostly followed Stone's guitar, but then all the dynamics came from Eddie, his singing. It's a very easy song to just kind of jump into and ride, you know what I mean? It's got like deep foundation you can just kind of sink into to play.
would you say this is your most famous drum part that you recorded?
Yes, definitely, absolutely, by far.
Here on the Drumeo YouTube channel, we bring in world-class drummers like Dave Krusen, Steve Jordan, Brooks Wackerman, and Stuart Copeland to share their stories and film videos that inspire you to get behind the kit. But you might not know that we actually have a full music lessons app called Musora. On the Musora app, you can practice with the world's best drummers, you can track your progress, and you'll join over 100,000 students improving on their instrument every single day. And that includes drums, piano, guitar, bass, and vocals. You can try your first week free at the link below, and I hope to see you there.
The dynamics are up, I feel like, kicking it off from the top. Eddie's got a little scream in there that really, like, the fuse is lit, and that's it. And you get a nice explosion from the start.
And you're staying on the hats in that intro part?
Yeah, hats wide open, really banging on the hats, sloshing them.
And then you've got, I guess there's like a lead-in kind of fill before that break into the verse?
Yeah, just a little snare pickup, just to kind of like define the part, the separation right there.
All right, so then we're into the verse. What's going on here? Anything that's different from the intro?
Yeah, it's tightened up a lot. Dynamics are brought down a little bit, and it's just all about that guitar groove at that point.
Isn't there like a fill leading into each of the choruses?
Yeah, there is. And that is, I kind of thought, the first time I go to the floor tom, it's a little mellower, and it kind of ramps into the chorus.
Okay, tell us about the chorus. What changes at this part?
I'm going to the ride there, and it really opens up. When it goes to the breakdown, I'm thinking a little extra oomph on the chorus right before to get to that part, and then bring it down, and then it's all about McCready's solo right there.
How do you end the tune?
We've already played that part, but now we're bringing that up another notch. So it's just about, that's like the heavy section. Switch to the ride just to take it even higher. It's still opening up, you know what I mean? It's not as bunched up. A little more crash ride right there.
Tell us about the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame performance and what that was like playing with the band.
Yeah, we rehearsed not much. We ran it down maybe twice. If I wasn't playing with that band, I feel like I'd have been so freaked out, you know, because there's a crowd there, there's cameras, and it's like, go. Like I said, playing with that band is so easy. It's like driving a Rolls Royce or something, I guess. You know, it's just like, wow, you really just kind of get into what they're doing and play along with them, and you're good to go. So I think that factor made it extremely comfortable. And by the time the song ended, I was just like, wow, you know, what a rush. It was really cool.